Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Tarion Octopod MDS01. It's one of the kind that you just attach to different objects like trees, fences, handlebar on your bicycle, bars. You can attach it to pretty much everything. So I'll show you in just a second. Let's just open it up. I like that it has this nice sleeve, so you could store it in. Really good quality. And then nothing else in there, and that's the Octopod. Sound like a mini tripod. Octo, because I guess it's like an octopus. So this is really easy to bend, so you can create your own shape. They also move like this, so you can expand it. From this you can adjust the phone holder or the camera holder, because it will allow you to attach a DSLR or any other camera. So when you're happy with the shape, you just increase the strength on that, and then if you press this release button, you can expand and you have your phone holder, which is really good quality. Very impressed. You also actually this can be removed. I was curious if it swivels around a bit, but it doesn't. And I don't know if this is aluminium or hard plastic. I can't really tell. Could be hard plastic, but then there's some metal inside in there, and that's adjustable. Yeah, Tarion branding, very good quality. And let me show you with the phone. So we have this iPhone. So we'll go, depending if you want to use the front camera on the back camera, you just put it like that and you start filming yourself. And you can even have it like this, just to hold it in your hand and start vlogging. It's really nice and sturdy. I mean, it's as sturdy as you can in here, because I can see it's moving a bit, the phone, but maybe depends of what case are you using as well. Some phones are a bit bigger than others. So yeah, here you'll have it like this, and then you can start adjusting based on your needs. You can even do it like that, start vlogging or filming while you're doing something, and yeah, really nice. Really nice. I've never seen one that it's so well done and sturdy, and it gives you confidence that you are okay to use it with your expensive equipment. So yeah, when you put it back, you just lower this down, press the buttons, and then you close it like so. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.